Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to properly kiss a woman. Get ready for this. You just wanna grab her face like this, okay? Like big, strong grip, okay? Big, strong grip. And then you lean in slowly, okay? But before you start leaning in, let me quickly mention, you wanna lick your lips. Make sure they're nice and wet. So you have nice wet lips, you have a good handle on her head, okay? And then you look her in the eyes, you open your mouth nice and big, and then you slowly lean in. But before you commit to the kiss, you ask her, how is she feeling? How are you feeling?